Hi, and welcome to our class groups tutorial. For many of our larger teams, creating class groups makes distributing common assessments even easier. Instead of assigning distributions to classes using the filters, you can assign a distribution to an entire class group with one push of a button. First, you'll need to create the class group. From the admin side of your account, go to Rosters, District Classes. Hover over Group Options and select Create New Group. If this option doesn't exist for you, please reach out to the person in charge of Edcite for your district or support@edcite.com. Your user permissions will need to be updated. Next, you'll name the group and hit Submit. For distribution purposes, you'll probably want the name of the class group to make it obvious which exams that group will receive. Something like third grade might work for some districts, while others might need to be more specific with a name like biology. To add classes to the group, I'll select the box to the left of the class name, hover over Group Options, go down to Add to Group, and then select the group I'd like to add that class to. Now, every time you go to a distribution, you can select Assign Classes, then open the class groups to the left of your screen. When I click on a class group, I see all the classes I've added to that group, and I can either select a few or select all and choose Assign Classes. You'll see this yellow box pop up telling you how many classes have been assigned to the distribution. We hope class groups make assigning large distributions even easier for you and your district. Happy testing!